Open up the piano and let's play the left hand accompaniment of You Say by Daigle. If you have yet to learn the melody, be sure to check out the melody tutorial before adding in the left hand. Now, after mastering our right hand, we are going to add our left hand to it. Now, this song for our left hand, pretty straightforward. It's really easy. We have a total of 4 notes that you just need to remember, and the sequence go on and on and on. The first note, we have an F. Okay, and then I'm gonna go 2 octaves, one and a half octave down from middle C. Now this is the middle C, and then we're gonna go down 1 octave middle C, and 4 steps down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's an F. Okay, so I'm gonna put my finger 5 on F. Now this is the first note that you need to know, and after that we're gonna move up finger 3 to A, and next we have a D on our thumb. Now if you put your thumb naturally comfortably, it's going to be a C, but we're going to have a little stretch up to D. And lastly, if your thumb is on D, and automatically your finger 2 will go up to B flat. Okay, so these are the 4 notes that you need to know: F, A, D, and B flat for every note that you play. Okay, it's a total of 4 counts. So the first introduction pattern, we have a F, A, C, A. We're going to add with a finger 5, F. Next, I'm going to have a A minor, so our left hand is on A. Next, I have a D minor, left hand is on D, thumb. And then we have a B flat, F, B flat, D on our right hand, left hand is a B flat. Okay, so let's combine the introduction, both hands. Ready, 1, 2, and we go. F, to A, to D, to B flat. Learning this song and want to go further? I've got a full piano resource waiting for you. From chord sheets, piano scores, practice plans, MP3 tracks, and even a goal checklist. It's all up on my Patreon, so come grab it and level up your playing. Next, we're going to move on to our verse, where we still have a left hand F to A to D to B flat. Okay, so the first note for our verse is a A, so we can activate A on the right hand, and the left hand is a F. I keep fighting voices on mine. I'm going to have a finger 3 on A. Mine that say I'm not enough. And then we have a thumb on D. 2, 3, 4, and B flat. 2, 3, 4. Next, I'm gonna have a finger 5 on F again. Every single lie that tells me. On I, I'm gonna have a A. I will never measure up. Okay, and now left hand gonna take over to D. 1, 2, 3, and B flat. 2, 3, 4. Continue. Finger 5 on F. Am I more than just the sum of? On A, we're going to have a finger 3 on A. Every high and every low. And then we're going to put our thumb on D. 2, 3, 4. Finger 2 on B flat. 2, 3, 4. Re. On mine, we can activate finger 5 on F again. Mind me once again just who I. On M, we're gonna have a finger 3 on A. And because I need to know. Left hand on D. 2, 3. Oh, oh. And then I'll have a B flat. Okay, so let's do these 2 lines together. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. F. I keep fighting voices in an A. Then we go to D, thumb. 2, 3, B flat. 2, 3, both hands F. Every single lie that tells me A. D flat, D to B flat. 2, 3, F again and go. And A to D and B flat. 2, 3, 4, and F and A, D, O, B flat, and then we go chorus. Now for our chorus, we're going to go back to the same sequence, F, A to D to B flat. So start from you say I am love, and then we're going to immediately activate our left hand F to when I can feel a thing, and then activate a A. You say I am strong. We're going to play a A and a D together. Strong. When I think I am weak, B flat. You say I am help, F again, left hand. When I am falling short, activate a A, figure 3. And when I don't belong, activate a D. Oh, you say I am yours, activate a B flat. 2, 3. And I believe on F, 2, 3. Oh, I believe A. What you say, D again, of me. I believe B flat. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's practice our chorus. Ready? 1, 2. You say I am love, F. A, D, B flat, F, A, D, B flat, and I believe, F again, A, D, B flat, 2, 3, 4. Let's move on to our verse 3. The only thing that matters now. Okay, so I'm coming in on the only. The only thing that matters now is on every A. We're gonna have our finger 3 on A. Everything you think of me. Thumb on D. 2, 3, B flat. 2, 3, 4 in, and then in U we're gonna have a A and a F together. You, I find my worth in you. I finger 2 on right hand G, and then on find I have finger 3 on A. Find my identity. Left hand D. 2, 3, O, B flat. Let's practice verse 3 together. Ready? 1, 2, and we go. F, A, D, 2, 3, B flat. Now 2, 3, 4, F, and A, D, 2, 3, O, B flat. You say I am love, and then we go back to our chorus again. And lastly, for our verse 4, taking all I have. On take, we're gonna have our finger 3 on A, left hand activate F. Taking all I have, and now I'm on lay. We're gonna have our finger 3 on A, laying it at your feet. We're gonna have a thumb on D. 2, 3, 4, B flat. 2, 3, 4. On U, we're gonna activate on F. You have every failure, God. On U, we're gonna have activate on A. You have every victory. Activate D again. 2, 3, O, B flat. And back to chorus. You say I am love, F. And lastly, after our chorus, we're gonna move back to our introduction as an outro. So we're going to have a FAC on F, finger 5, FACA, and then we have our A on ACE. Then we have a D on DFA, and lastly our B flat on B flat major, F, B flat D. And we are done. Hi there, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial added value to your music journey. Now put what you have learned into practice with our practice jamming track video link above. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe for more music tutorials. We'll see you in the next video and we'll continue to make music and learn together.